Okay, so welcome to this week's meeting. Now we all know why we're here. We like to use guns to settle our arguments. Now, who'd like to start?
I guess I'll start. Hello.
Hello.
My name is Jim.
Hi. Welcome, Jim.
Thanks, sir. Thank you. It's been 6 months since I've demanded satisfaction, and every day's a battle, and I take it one day at a time. Wake up in the morning, put my pants on one leg at a time like every other person, except for a werewolf.
You motherfucker!
Fellas, this is a room of calm and understanding, please.
This is the bastard that insulted me at the company picnic!
Yeah, and he called you a fag.
I challenge you to a duel! I like them apples.
What the hell? Not only are you not meant to shoot people in here, you didn't even wait for him to accept your challenge. That is so rude.
Oh yeah. Shit.
Here I am, rock you like a hurricane.
I probably should have mentioned this earlier, but I think I'm in the wrong room. This isn't AA, is it? Anyone know where that is?
It's down the hall through the doors and on your right.
Alright. Cool.